Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Fanatics Under Wraps box. So this has a lease and autographed baseball in it. Under Wraps is a mystery box program where fans have a chance to secure autographed, officially licensed product from some of the biggest names in the sport. So, I already know actually that this is a Padres ball in here, so that's why we have this here. Yeah, this is what it looks like though, if you were to get one of these brand new. Currently, when this video is dropping, the Padres are hopefully beating the Dodgers in Game 5. And this unboxing video will bring them good luck if they are losing now in Game 5. What's this? Oh, wow. Oh, it's a nice magnetic box. Crazy unboxing experience, really nice. Wings under wraps. Here we go. Alright, set this aside. Ooh. Oh wow, the ball. Ooh. Ball comes in this nice holder. Nice little baggie. Let's see what this paper says first. Wow! Wow! Congratulations, you have unwrapped an officially licensed baseball autograph by Manny Machado. Alright, so as this Alright, as this video drops on YouTube, Machado's gonna hit a grand slam against the Dodgers. I'm calling it now. Alright. Oh wow. Called it. Because on this ball, he actually autographs his name, number 13, and writes Slam Diego right here. This is a really cool ball. Fanatics Authentic. Got the QR codes to scan it. Official Major League Baseball. Alright, Manny, hit a grand slam. I unbox this ball specifically for you. Alright, everyone. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Go Padres. Let's go. On to the next round. Let's do this. LFG SD. Alright. Later, everyone.